Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fly an airskiff or plane using the new steering and direct control system in the Windfarer plugin. The new direct control system is intended to allow players to easily control fast-moving crafts, as interacting with sign controls at high speeds can be difficult. How this is done is by allowing control of the craft using hotbar slots. By default, slots 3, 4, 5, and 6 are control slots. I recommend putting swords in these slots, doesn't matter what type as long as it's not a wooden sword, since that's a manual control stick. While not required, I recommend renaming them in an anvil to help you remember which slot does what. You enter direct control mode by left clicking with the wooden sword. It should say entering direct control mode in the chat on the bottom left. Slot 3 controls levers for weapons like fire charge dispensers or bombs. Right or left click to toggle on or off. Slot 4 controls the pitch, aka the trim angle, to go up or down. Right click increases the pitch upward and left click reduces it downward. Slot 5 controls the helm, aka the steering angle, to go left and right. Right click turns the helm to the right, left click turns the helm to the left. A brief refresh on how the steering system works is that when the helm has an angle of anything but 0, like 5 degrees or negative 5 degrees, the craft will continuously turn. In order to head toward a specific direction, aka bearing, you must turn the helm and cruise until you are heading the direction you want to go, and straighten the helm by setting the angle to 0. Remember, a bearing of 0 is north, 90 is east, 180 is south, 270 is west, and 360 resets all the way back to north. Lastly, slot 6 is your cruise control for continuous forward movement. Right click starts cruising, left click stops cruising. Now that ground school is out of the way, let's take off. And watch my hotbar slots and my mouse inputs on the top right. I'm going to select number 6 to start cruising, right click, and we're off. Now we're cruising forward, I'm going to start pitching upward by right clicking with the slot number 4 to get us going higher. As you can see on the navigation sign, we have a trim or pitch angle of 20 degrees, so we are ascending at a rate of an angle of 20 degrees. Now that we gain some altitude, I'm going to level us out back to 0. Now we are flying level altitude. Now we see a mountain in the way, so I'm gonna go turn to the right. I'm gonna select hotbar number 5 and set the helm angle to 5 degrees. And now we should be turning. Now, as long as the helm angle is set to 5 degrees, I'm gonna keep turning in a circle. So let's say I want to head in, let's say I want to head toward that ship. I'm going to keep cruising in a circle until I reach a direction that I want to go, and I'm going to straighten it out to 0, and now we are heading toward that ship at a bearing of 20 degrees. Now let's say I want to head over there. I'm going to increase the helm angle to 5 degrees. And now once we have straightened out, I'm going to set it to 0. And now we are heading straight toward that ship. Now to demonstrate weapons, I'm going to right click with the 3rd slot and set it on fire. I'm going to pitch out of the way to avoid hitting it. Toggle the guns off, and we're free. Alright, that concludes the direct control tutorial. I'm going to bring down this aircraft for a landing, and I'll see you off from there. Let's get lined up with the runway, heading 270. Let's pitch the nose down. This is a pretty steep landing. Let's pitch up. Pitch up, pitch up. And
Another happy landing.
no, close enough. Alright. Well, good luck out there, captains. Fair winds and following seas. Next tutorial should be on shipbuilding. How to make your own airship, vehicles, and airskiffs. Thank you guys for watching.